Your mercy follows where I go. In every valley, you make it glow. Your goodness never fades away. You lead me home, you make me stay. Even when I wander far, your love still finds my heart. Surely your goodness and mercy will chase me all of my days, Lord, you'll sustain me. Forever I'll dwell in your house, O King. My heart will rest, my soul will sing. Through every storm you calm my fear. Your voice of peace, so soft, so clear. The shepherd's hand will guide me still. Your purpose stands, your perfect will. Even when the shadows fall, you are my all in all. Surely your goodness and mercy will chase me all of my days, Lord, you'll sustain me. Forever I'll dwell in your house, O King. My heart will rest, my soul will sing. Forever, forever, your love remains. In your presence I'm not the same. Forever, forever, I'll praise your name. Good Shepherd, I am yours. Surely your goodness and mercy will chase me all of my days, Lord, you'll sustain me. Forever I'll dwell in your house, O King. My heart will rest, my soul will sing. Surely your goodness and mercy will chase me all of my days, Lord, you'll sustain me. Forever I'll dwell in your house, O King. My heart will rest, my soul will sing. Your goodness and mercy